Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of Halo's Red vs. Blue Season 10. I don't know what the heck is up with this camera. And especially this memory card. This memory card right here that I'm using now. Ugh. But anyway, like I was saying in part 1, when Church goes into Caboose's suit to override the systems, Caboose, you could change. Instead of being like, I like to taste the color purple. And it was like, you don't taste color purple? Like, what is this dude talking about? When Church went into his suit, he was like, my name is Johnson Will Caboose. I hate babies and taxes. They're like, it's Texas. And that too. Because apparently in the Halo series from other fractions, they're like Carolina, Texas, Arizona, and New Mexico and stuff. And it's like, why are these people named after states? I mean, Donut's named Donut, Sarge is Sarge, Caboose is Caboose, Griff. At least someone knows how regular names to them. But when Caboose got that church power up, oh man, he was a one-man reincarnation of the chief, the Master Chief. He was just taking on thousands of these android-controlled robot suits. He was watching vehicles and stuff. And Sarge was like, boys, let's pull back. They're like, why? They're like, remember, this is Caboose here. He can't tell his colors. He thinks colors are flavors. And I was like, yeah, we better get 50 meters back. And then I think it was Griff. He was like, oh, there's a robot. I'm going to take one of them out. And the robot just kicked him right in the crotch. And then I think it was Donut who was like, don't worry, Griff. I'll kill him. And then Donut goes flying. And they're like, you know what? Caboose got this. You got this, Caboose. Alright, Caboose, you hand us. We'll just step on back and wait till you're done killing everything in the big entire room, It was funny, that's all. Dude, I love that one line that Caboose said when he got his, church suit power up, I guess you could call it like that. Oh, man. They're like, church. They're like, Caboose, you could actually speak proper English? They're like, then why was he speaking, like someone that was a little challenged, But I mean, Caboose, if I had to pick at least one fair character, probably Caboose. Because Caboose was just funny as all heck. But that's from Blue. From Red, I'll have to go with Sarge from Red. Now, Sima, I love Sima's weapon. It looked pretty darn cool. Or maybe that was so meta, and that was Sima. I don't know, it's been a while since I watched the show. We wish that they would have